Alright everybody, so as you can tell, the train is around the tree. They've actually been here for quite a while. It's taken me a while to get around to this video and everything, and these aren't the only locomotives in rolling stock I've got over here. I've got a few more, including, we'll get to that in a bit. But anyways, on the outside track we've got O-gauge here. This is a Postwar American Flyer 262 Pennsylvania Railroad locomotive with some random rolling stock of various different eras behind it. Give you guys a close look at each here. Pause to see detail. And then on the inside track, wow, I should have stopped this in a better area. We got the royal blue right here. This is American Flyer S gauge on the inside. And we got 3 matching New Haven green passenger cars. Sorry I didn't stop those in a very good area, but I'm just kind of throwing this video together. And there it is, the tree all done and up with the trains around the bottom of it. Like I said earlier, this isn't the only locomotives in rolling stock I've got. Some of them are still in a box, but I've got my Erie Railroad PA Alco diesel locomotive with the B unit. I got a Frontiersman with matching coaches for S gauge. Then again for O gauge, I've got a few other. I've got a Lionel Scout for it, a Dreyfuss Hudson, and a few other things. I'll do some more videos on those in the future, sometime like maybe tomorrow, and then up till New Year's Eve, probably do a couple, like a video of a day of some different trains running around this and whatnot. And I'm sorry this video is kind of quickly thrown together. I just want to get it done now because I got a lot of stuff I got to do tonight, preparations for tomorrow, etc., etc. But there's the tree. And there's the trains. Wheels came off the front. Alright, fire that back up. Get the O-gauge going again. It's refusing to run. There we go. That was quick. There it goes. Not too shabby though. So with that, expect some more different videos of different trains and stuff in the near future. Tomorrow, maybe even one more tonight, I don't know. And with that, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, at least feel free to do that if you guys want to. Yeah, feel free to do that if you want to. Feel free to leave a comment, whatever, that sort of stuff. And Merry Christmas to all, and to all good night, I guess. Hope everybody out there has a very nice Christmas. See you soon.